name is Victoria Smith and my instructor is Nicholas Darbaji, and this is my chemistry project over writing and balancing equations. This is the first equation we're going to balance. On the reactant side there's 1 copper, 2 oxygen, and 2 hydrogen atoms. On the product side there's 1 copper, 2 oxygen, and 2 hydrogen atoms. So there's 1 copper on the reactant side, 1 copper on the product side, 2 oxygens on the reactant side, 2 on the product side, and then 2 hydrogen on the reactant side, 2 on the product side, so this equation is balanced. This is the next equation that we're going to balance, and this one actually needs balancing. On the reactant side we have 1 copper, 3 oxygen, 1 hydrogen, and 1 nitrogen atom. On the product side we have 1 copper, 9 oxygen, 2 hydrogen, and 3 nitrogen atoms. Now for our first step to balance this guy, we're going to double the HNO3 molecules so that we have 2 hydrogen on the reactant side to match the 2 hydrogen on the product side. To balance the nitrogen in this equation, we can double the molecule that we just doubled so that we have 4 HNO3, which will give us 4 nitrogen on the reactant side. And then we can double the nitrogen dioxide on the product side so that we have 4 nitrogen on the product side as well. This gives us 4 hydrogen on the reactant side. So in order to balance the hydrogen in this equation, we can double the amount of water molecules so that we have 4 hydrogen on the product side. This gives us 1 copper on the reactant side and 1 copper on the product side, 12 oxygens on the reactant side and 12 oxygens on the product side, 4 hydrogens on the reactant side and 4 hydrogens on the product side, and 4 nitrogens on the reactant side and 4 nitrogens on the product side. So this equation is now balanced. Welcome to the lab.